Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ikta Indians. Today I am going to show you how to make most popular, very delicious, all-time favorite sambar recipe in very easy and simple way. This is an easy sambar recipe which has an excellent taste and goes well with idli, dosa, etc. Sambar with rice is also an unbeatable combination. Let's start the recipe. Here I take 200 grams tur dal or arhot dal. Now I clean it properly. After wash it properly, now I soak the dal into the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Here I have taken some vegetables of my choice. They are 2 sliced small brinjals, 1 medium size chopped tomato, some small pieces of pumpkin, some chopped fresh beans, 1 medium size sliced carrot, some pieces of fresh drumsticks, 2 medium size finely chopped onions, 1 medium size sliced potato. In this recipe, you can add more vegetables as you like. The quantity and the variety of the vegetables will be completely according to your choice. Now I transfer all the soaked dal into the pressure cooker and then I add sufficient water into it. Then I also add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon refined oil into the cooker and mix it well. Then I close the lid and cook it properly. After 4 whistles, I open the lid and let's check the dal. Dal is perfectly cooked. Most important thing which you have to keep in mind is you don't have to grind it. You can use wooden whisk very lightly if needed. I also take 10 to 15 pieces curry leaves, 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, half teaspoon fenugreek, 2 bay leaves, 2 dried red chilies. After that, I heated a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons refined oil into it. When the oil is heated sufficiently, then I add 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon fenugreek, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 10 to 15 pieces curry leaves and 2 to 3 dried red chilies into it and saute them for a few seconds. After that, I am adding finely chopped onions into the pan and again I saute them for a few seconds. After a few seconds, I am adding 1 teaspoon asafoetida, that is hing, into the pan and mix it properly. Then I am adding chopped tomato into the pan. Again I mix it very well. Now I add 1 teaspoon salt into the pan and give it a nice mix. After that, I am going to add 4 teaspoon sambar masala into the pan and again I give it a nice mix. Now I add 1 teaspoon red chili powder into it and mix it well. After that, I am adding little amount of water into the pan to fry the masala very well, otherwise masala may burn. When the masala starts leaving oil, then I am adding all the vegetables into the pan and give them a nice mix. Now I fry all the vegetables with the spices for 2 minutes on medium flame. In this stage, all the vegetables get well coated with the masala. Now I am adding 2.5 cup water into the pan and mix it well. After that, I covered the pan with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on low to medium flame until the vegetables are almost cooked. Now I open the lid and let's check the vegetables. Vegetables are cooked well. Now I add the dal into the pan and mix all the things very well. After that, I am adding 4 to 5 tablespoons tamarind pulp in the dal and give it a nice mix. Then I am going to add 2 tablespoons jaggery into the dal and mix it well. In this stage, I add 4 small onions into the dal. It enhances the taste of the sambar. Now I cover the lid of the pan and boil the dal for 2 minutes on medium to low flame. After 2 minutes, I open the lid and give it a nice mix. Now I spread some chopped fresh coriander leaves on the top of the dal and turn off the gas. The consistency of the dal is perfect. Now I serve it hot. I hope you like my today's sambar recipe, which I prepare in very simple and easy way. You must try at your home. You may serve it with dosa, idli or plain hot rice. I'm sure it will be a nice treat for your family. I need your support. So please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video. It is very important for the betterment of my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.